Hey guys, so this is going to be my video showing you how I failed trying to do my own install. I have been practicing and I just can't seem to get it. So I decided to film my struggle, hoping that it would have a better outcome, but it didn't. So yeah, so I tried to cut my bald cap, stocking cap, whatever you want to call it. And now I'm trying to use the Got To Be glue free spray to just kind of, you know, get this cap to stay on. As you see me looking confused and not wanting to get it in my face. I'm clearly struggling. The hole is not fitting around my ear like I watch in other people's do their videos. It's just tragic.
And I look so bad, he wanna pay for my vacation. He said, she said, I can't stand the accusation.
Don't know why I'm trying to do this right now. Like, I don't think I put a lot of Got To Be glued. It's coming undone. Or I didn't let it dry in time. I didn't give it enough time to dry. I'm trying to just cut it with my razor. I'm completely failing. Like, I'm so confused. Like, why am I doing this? I'm getting this all in my hair right now. Like, I just don't know what I'm doing at this point. Like, the whole cap is coming up now. And I keep just razoring away. Like, I'm making holes, everything. Like, this is very tragic to watch. Like, I don't know why I continue to film this, why I continue cutting. My hair is coming all out of the braids because I had my hair braided for a few days now. My eyebrows are all messed up because I'm growing them out. Like, I look very disgusting.
I dropped the top and we outie, switching gears in that Audi, dripping ice, no sweat, frozen diamonds, I don't even gotta flex. I'm chasing these texts, I post a picture, don't need no effect. I am a boss, pay me my respect, hitting my line when you need to connect. Couple friends in the Benz, ice cup is so frosty. I got the drip like I'm saucy, hold up, wait, my lips are so glossy. All I wanna do is get bucks, lately you acting real sus. What is the problem, yo, tell me what's up, just tell me what's up.
Here I am trying again, got a new cap, trying again, didn't put it around my ears, didn't cut anything, spraying my free spray, hoping this works out, looking very stressed into the camera, don't know if I'm even doing this correctly. So here I am going back in with this razor, don't even know how to cut, like look at me, I'm just so tragic. I'm trying to cut the cap again, let's see this fail again.
I'm the domination, I hit spots like Dalmatian, and you can't hit my blunt, it don't go in your rotation. I got that sensation, temptation, you been waiting, and I see little shorty mad.
So this is completely not working out. Like, why am I getting so close when this is already looking tragic? Like, why did I even continue? You see my hair is like sticking out, like my hair is on my forehead and it should not be like that. Like, look at my face, I'm so cringe right now. This is just disgusting. Look, my braids coming out on the back. Here I am trying to clean my face with some rubbing alcohol. Like, this is just also tragic right now. Like, what am I doing? I'm trying to really pull this to the front. I should have just gave up. Here I am spraying some more of this spray. Like, why am I doing that right now? Like, it just already looks horrible. I should have just took it off. Look at that. Look at that in the front right there. And look at me thinking, okay, whatever, it will be all right. So here I am trying to blow dry it to make the process go a little bit faster. Here I am taking my wig from White Label. Slay by Net on Instagram made this unit for me. And I should have just let her install it because this is just terrible. Switching gears in that Audi, dripping ice, no sweat, frozen diamonds, I don't even gotta flex. I'm chasing these texts, I post a picture, don't need no effect. So here I am applying some glue. It is the Ghost Bond glue. What is it? I don't even know what this is. Like, what am I even doing? Why am I putting such a thick layer? I think it's supposed to be thin. But at least I'm using a popsicle stick like most people do. I don't even have glue like on one area. Like, oh, here I am with this blow dryer, trying to dry it. And it's like burning me. You see me like squinting. Why did I just put my hand in glue? Like, what am I doing? So I definitely think I was supposed to let it dry some more before bringing it down. That's my first mistake. Some parts were dry and some weren't. And I think since I put such a thick layer of glue on, it left a lot of the glue, you know, untouched by the hair. So I definitely had to go back in and take it off.
I got that sensation, temptation, you been waiting. And I see little shorty mad, see the aggravation.
Now watch me still try to blow dry this mess on my forehead, try to make baby hairs, try to just fix this, and it's just not working. Like, I should have stopped myself. Like, look at that. This looks terrible. Trying to brush this, it's so frizzy, making sure it doesn't come off my freaking head. It's like, look at this. The hair is caught in the glue, and I'm just still going with the flow. Like, you would think something's wrong with me. Like, what am I doing? I don't even know if this is how I'm supposed to try to style the hair. I don't even know if this is the right product because it made my hair feel really hard afterwards. Like, I don't even know. Look at me. Like, I don't even have baby hairs and I'm just swooping it.
Ice cup is so frosty. I got the drip like I'm saucy. Hold up, wait, my lips are so glossy. All I wanna do is get bucks. Lately you acting real sus. What is the problem? Yo, tell me what's up. Passing the blunt and I'm toting it up. You give me the pack and I'm flipping it up. Duffel bag and I'm stuffing it up. Popping tags and I'm running it up. Got 100 bands and I'm stacking it up. Gucci bag, walk around with it tucked. Throw a couple bands when I walk in the club. Walk in the club. I dropped the top and we outie. Switching gears in that Audi. Dripping ice, no sweat. Frozen diamonds, I don't even gotta flex. I'm chasing these texts. I post a picture, don't need no effect. I am a boss, pay me my respect. Hitting my line when you need to connect. Couple friends in the Benz. Ice cup is so frosty. I got the drip like I'm saucy. Hold up, wait, my lips are so glossy. All I wanna do is get bucks. Lately you acting real sus. What is the problem? Yo, tell me what's up. Just tell me what's up. What up? What up? What up? What up? What up?
Birdman, you sneaked up on me from behind. Precisely the kind of tactics I should have expected from you.
Save a conversation, cause I'm not behind you now. Flame face.
Out of my way, fool!
Stop this conversation, we gon' need to change locations. The way I move my body is my creation. The way I talk my talk, you can't help the flirtation. And I'm the domination, I hit spots like that.
This is still not working out for me. Here I am just brushing it, trying to make the most of it. It looks terrible. So if you have any suggestions, comments, tips, tricks, anything, comment below because clearly I look a mess.
Press, 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 press. Cardi don't need more press. Kill them all, put them hoes to rest. Walk in bulletproof vest. Please tell me who she gon' check. Murder scene, Cardi.